I will show you how to get the best health benefits from fish skin and what to watch out for. Fish skin is like the underdog of the seafood world. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, proteins, and essential nutrients that can boost your heart health, brain power, and overall well-being. Plus, when cooked right, it's a crunchy, delicious treat. But hold your fish fork. Fish skin can also accumulate toxins from the water, especially in rivers, streams, and oceans. These contaminants are more concentrated in the skin and fat compared to the flesh of the fish. So while it's a tasty snack, it's not always the healthiest choice. If you're brave enough to try it, make sure it's properly cooked. Grilling, baking, or pan frying can make it crispy and reduce some risks. And pick fish with lower mercury levels to keep things safer. So should you eat fish skin? It's up to you. Just weigh the benefits and risks before you take a bite. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep exploring with quick science facts.